Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. Let's start by tapping to the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage, so let's stay here. To get access to the camera leveler, we have to turn on the show grid lines option. And now let's tap to the show grid lines at the bottom, so we get access to more options. Here we have the straighten button, so our leveler, and just one tap to turn it on, another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep it turned on, and here we can see our leveler. It is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture. And this is how to use this. When we don't need it, we have to go back to the right corner and tap to the show grid lines button, or just tap to the bottom of it and pick the straighten here. So for now it is gone. Now we can turn off also the grid lines and get access to the clear camera preview. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.